I've never seen a big man move so fast.
This is a jumping spider?
Oh, yeah.
What do you mean?
It's only got like a 6-foot range.
Wait, no, I can't.
You're in the direct line of sight.
Oh, he's a big one.
He's a hefty boy.
Oh, you're a hefty boy, aren't you?
Don't throw it out. Well, I'm outside.
Come on, buddy.
Where is it now?
On the bottom of the... He's got a web. That's like the worst.
Spider.
It better be off of you. Okay,
There he is. I got it.
it's moving, it's moving.
Yeah, it's a That's what they do.
Shut up.
You the back climbed over me.
Oh my God, it's here, they're grabbing me.
We're on the Edmond-Kingston ferry.
Yes.
We're on the Edmond side right now, heading to the Kingston side.
Yep. We waited about an hour and a half.
Yep.
To get on this boat.
And that's probably normal. Probably normal for this time of day in
like
Seattle
4
area.
or 5-ish. We're here with family and friends, and hopefully we'll get some good times over there.
Oh yeah. So our final destination though is Poulsbo.
Yes.
It's a weird name. I keep wanting to say Poulsboro, but it's just Poulsbo.
Piece of Greensboro.
I guess so. And we're gonna go explore that little town.
Yes.
Our friends Chuck and Jen joined us for an afternoon of walking around downtown Poulsbo, nicknamed the Viking City. With our sweet tooth quenched, we walked down to the docks to enjoy cigars on the water.
We are redoing Seattle downtown. Last year we tried to do Seattle downtown and it was like downpouring. It was
It was a little early in the season to be doing downtown Seattle.
It was extremely unenjoyable. I made him come back with me. Actually, no, he is coming willingly, but where are we at?
We're heading out to Gasworks Park, which is a great view of downtown Seattle, and it's a cool area.
Let's see.
Gasworks Park is what used to be a coal gasification plant that closed in 1956. Since the park's opening, it has become a Washington state landmark. Downtown Seattle, which is pretty cool. It's a nice little park that was an old gas structure, and it's all still here. Lining the sides of Lake Union are hundreds of houseboats, several shipyards, float planes, and a great view of the Seattle skyline. at the Ballard Locks, which is a park, but it's also a working area.
Okay.
So we have over here, downtown Seattle area, and that's at one elevation, and then over there takes you out to the sound and everything. And so, but there are two different levels, so you need these things called the locks to equalize the levels for boats, kind of like an elevator for a boat. Is touted as the original farmers market in Seattle, starting in 1907. Almost any kind of good or food can be found here in its several stories.
State Park.
Awesome. How beautiful it is.
Gorgeous day. And really low tide.
So Pearly,
yes, dear.
Alex's mom, made a full schedule for us today. And we always are very excited when she makes a full schedule because it's very thorough and very thought out. We always have a great time. So we're going to Whidbey Island.
Yep. Deception Pass.
I can't even say it. Deception Pass.
We're going to go to Phoebes Landing for a little hike and some lunch.
Woo!
And we're going to go to Bell's Farm to pet Gandalf the miniature donkey. And pick some strawberries.
She knows the way to my heart. We also have Kale.
Yes.
Yep.
And of course Alec is here. Where are you at? Alec?
Yep.
We're at the Deception Pass.
Landing. Behind us is farmland, and if we do a 180, behind us is the bay, which is pretty cool. Phoebes Landing is actually out on Whidbey Island, which just getting here is a fantastic ride in and of itself. You have two different ways to go. You can either go the north route over Deception Pass. You can do the southern route and take one of the ferries through Puget Sound. And it's just a great day to spend out here on Whidbey Island.
It's really nice.
Today, and he's really liked it. Who gave it to him? Kyle. Gandalf the Grey. I just call him Donk.
Oh, hello. Look at the top hair.
Yeah, well, the horse mane.
Hello.
Oh yeah, the mohawk.
Is this one the same?
Yeah, just put him in a pasture. It's too much for him, probably. They're both young. They're both under 2.
Oh, they're so tiny.
Oh, he just turned 2. Oh, not that long.
Gus. Oh.
Hi,
Hi, honey. Oh, are you
Gus
so
is a jealous
excited?
Donk. Oh, yeah.
Smell me? This is so great. Come here.
After petting the farm animals, we hopped in the back of the truck and headed down to the fields to do some work. The taller you are, the worse it is, really. It's not a sport for tall. Oh, man! Wow, Kale, you got way more than Natalie got.
Yeah, I did.
Holy moly.
Well, do you see Pearly?
No,
Not here.
this is Kale's box. Kale's box
My box.
You're at a
Natalie's
weird
box.
angle
has a
right
lot
now.
more strawberries than Natalie's
For
box.
lack of defense.
What are you gonna
I got all these
buy?
strawberries, and you got all those not strawberries.
What do you mean? before you think he got more than me, apparently dumped her strawberries in his basket.
Sure. You ever take that one?
Yeah.
I remember where I was.
Did I ask Natalie if she wanted my berries?
And she said no.
I thought she said no.
Yeah.